Episode 3. AutoHotkey Basics. Simple keyboard and mouse automation. Tired of repeating the same keyboard and mouse actions? AutoHotkey, AHK, is the ultimate tool for automating repetitive tasks on your Windows PC. Welcome back to GarCar AI and Tech. AutoHotkey is a lightweight scripting language that lets you create custom shortcuts, automate keystrokes, and even control your mouse. It's perfect for automating everyday tasks like typing repetitive text, launching apps, or even gaming macros. Here's how it works. 1. Install AutoHotkey. It's free and easy to set up. 2. Write your first script. A simple script can replace text or create keyboard shortcuts. 3. Run your script. Save time by letting AHK handle tasks automatically. In this episode, we'll guide you step by step to create your first AutoHotkey script. Automate a few simple actions and show real-life examples. By the end, you'll be saving time like a pro. Let's get started.